I think I'ma blow up off of this first.
Oh yeah. You know, I'm like a spaceship, bro.
I'm finna blow.
Don't look at me, don't look at me, bitch, don't lie, and I've been riding on the seat, pushing off, I hit the gas, I'm leaning off with the beat, I'm with the beat, don't worry, I don't mean I ain't got that shit on me. Yo, boy, don't stay with that green, can't send these hoes when I'm geeked about lane. And they're like a hospital, shit been on my team. I started rapping in 2019, I've been on myself, that's why these niggas blame everything on me. Baby, on purse, you gotta know that. Big fat ass come in and throw that. Off your love, ain't expect this blowback. Bust a head, I can't elope that. I'm on all types of shit. I just want it green, no kiss. I just want it green, no kiss, baby. With a beam, don't worry. I'm stepping on their necks, breaking shit, I come correct. I been dripped down with protect.
I'm so out the way. I went and caught that play. Too much money inside my pocket. Fuck it, I might go buy a safe.
Fuck it, I make her run like Shikari. Fuck it, I might go buy me a Cardi. Look a nigga up, I'm lit on Safari. She won't record like me, I Carly.
So much gas, I smoke by Marley. My will fast to pull up Ferrari. She sweet just like some Mike and Ice. She say she wanna come stay the night. I told her that she can't. I'm on the way to the bank. I'm a shark inside the ocean. I'm 4 round with no tank.
I'm 4 round with no tank. I'm a bit out there like Hank. Dark shit on me, I know it stank. Bitch been bloody red like paint. I'm on all the ass cause I'm in up in rank. Who they wanna be? Bitch, it's me. Stay with all this cash on me. Best go in the city.
Yeah, I been trying to get my money right on time 10. I can't let no nigga stop my grind, I know I'm for the win. I'ma do this shit for all my brothers and do it for all my kids. You niggas hate on me, why they hate on me? They hate the way I live and they say, oh okay, let's get it, let's go. Like new Rolex, put that shit on the floor. She want rose, so I pour some more.
I'm with a V, don't worry, I don't mean I ain't got that shit on me. Yo, boy, don't stay with that green, can't send these hoes when I'm geeked about lane. They're like a hospital, shit been on my team. I started rapping in 2019, I've been on myself, that's why these niggas blame everything on me. I see the truth in your heart like it's medication, baby, proving to put in this dedication. When we fuck, it's a brand new revelation. She with a V, don't worry, she with a V, don't worry, bitch, I'm in a Mars, spit, no can't quit. I got so much money on me, bitches, that dog shit. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, 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 yeah.